I just want women and girls to know that you're welcome at my workshops. I want you to come to my workshops, and like, it's okay if you don't know anything about technology. Actually, if you don't know anything about tech, definitely come to my workshop because we start from the ground and work up. My name is Jennifer Fox. I go by the online handle JenFoxBot. My company is FoxBot Industries, and we make things and teach other people how to make things. FoxBot Industries does three main things: open source project tutorials and videos, workshops and lessons, and curriculum development. I care a lot about the environment and social justice, and a lot of these problems that we have in the world, it really boils down to education. Because if you empower people to be independent learners and to solve problems on their own and to think critically and to really ask those super hard questions, then they can go out and solve the problems that they're most passionate about. It's one thing to talk about it and to be afraid and to complain, and it's another thing to say, okay, this is a problem, what can we do to fix it? And then let's actually do that. The technology exists for you to actually be able to solve a problem in a very real way. Whether it's a problem in your own life, the problem at home, problem in your community, or even in the world. There's a lot of different avenues that folks can take to make a substantial impact. And for me, the most important work that I will ever do is going to be through my students. I really try and focus on women and girls. As a woman in the hard sciences, it's been pointed out to me many, many times that it is odd that I'm in this field. And for me, it wasn't odd until people started pointing it out. The deeper into it you get, the fewer women you notice. And that's really unfortunate. There's this like stigma against being good at software for women, but they haven't heard about hardware yet. So I really try and focus on projects that are not gender specific. I also try and incorporate a lot of art and creativity. My favorite one is the leaf blower hovercraft. It's a glorified air hockey puck, but personally I think it's more of a hovercraft than the ones with the wheels because it actually floats. It's super fun. And it's really easy to make too. I do this because I love it. And that's really what it's about, is like, you have to be passionate about the things that you do. And if that happens to be in STEM, awesome. Like, it doesn't matter who or what you are, do it.